Hey, young writers. This is Mrs. Brown, and today we're going to learn all about coordinating conjunctions. What is a coordinating conjunction? A coordinating conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses that are similar or equal in structure. The most common coordinating conjunctions can be remembered using the acronym FANBOYS: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Think of coordinating conjunctions as bridges that link similar parts of a sentence, helping your ideas flow smoothly. Let's look at some examples. In example 1, let's read this sentence. Mariam played chess, but Azma studied in the library. Notice the coordinating conjunction in this sentence is but. Example 2. Kale wanted to go to the park, so he grabbed his coat. In this sentence, so is the coordinating conjunction. Example 3. We can have pizza or burgers for dinner. In this example, or is the coordinating conjunction. In all of these examples, but, so, and or are coordinating conjunctions. They connect ideas that are related, helping to show the relationship between them. Here are a few comma rules and tips. Tip number 1. Use a coordinating conjunction to join two complete sentences. Place a comma before the conjunction. Let's look at an example. I wanted to go for a walk, comma, but it started raining. Tip number 2. You can also use coordinating conjunctions to join words or phrases in a list. Use a comma to join 3 or more items in a series. Here's an example. She likes reading, drawing, and painting. Notice, because she likes 3 things, we need to separate these 3 items using a comma. It's quiz time, everyone. Question 1, which word is the coordinating conjunction? I want to play outside, but it's too cold. You've got 3 seconds to answer. 1, 2, 3. The answer is but. I hope you got the answer. Let's go to another question. Question 2, fill in the blank with the correct coordinating conjunction. Would you like tea, coffee? What belongs between tea and coffee? The answer is or. Would you like tea or coffee? All right, last question. True or false? Coordinating conjunctions can only connect 2 words together. You got 3 seconds to answer. 1, 2, 3. That is false. They can connect words, phrases, or complete sentences. Did this help? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time, my friends.